Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to take a simple exercise in SolidWorks and we will create with the help of surface tool, and here we will learn some basic surface tools like lofted boss base, then filled surface, knit surface, trim surface. So let's see how to make this simple exercise in SolidWorks. Exercise 117 in SolidWorks Surface tutorial. In surfacing tool, we are going to create each and every curve separately. Like this, in top view, we will make this separate, this line also separate, and here you will see this line also separate. In top view, it is front view. In top view, this both the lines we will make separate, so that we will get a perfect shape in surface. So here we will start with top plane. 115 is the curve, 30 millimeter from center line, 185 is the tangent line which is touched to the top, and 183 is the length. 108 is the reference point from origin, so that our geometry will be fully defined. Okay, these two we will make separate, then this one we will make separate. 150, see here, 94 millimeter here. Then we will cut later this one. First let me choose top plane, sketch, corner rectangle. Now 85, tab, 183, enter. Now click here for construction purpose. See, (108) it is the reference point. If it is moving, so it is not coincide. Hold shift key, coincide relation. That's it. Now click here 3-point arc. We will connect these two. Select these two tangent. Okay. Now define this distance 30 and this arc radius 150. Exit. Now in the same way again we will make top plane, same sketch. Click this one, hold shift key, this one, convert entity. Now select, okay, let's mirror entities, construction. I'll select both, mirror entity. See, it is mirror. Now I'll choose this one, construction geometry, but because we already make in sketch 1, exit. Now here we have two separate sketch. In surfacing tutorial it is important. Now let's come to top plane, front plane sketch. Again we will try to create this. Now here 94, tab, 183. For construction, say yes. Now again move it. Okay, this is fixed here. So distance from here to here 108. Curve, 3-point curve. Now this point from here to here is 43. 150, the same thing we need to apply here. And let's make relation tangent. See, the drawing is fully defined. Exit. Now here also we need to close. So first we need to create a plane. First reference plane, drop down menu and choose right plane. This is suitable for this. In second reference, click this point. See, it's going to create a plane, sketch. Now choose here ellipse. Now select this center point, connect to this point, Let me choose line. I'll connect from here to here because I want to trim this half circle. Trim entity, keep power trim, just move and trimmed. Now here make one relation. Hold shift key and select these 2 points coincide. See, the drawing is fully defined, no need to give any dimension. Say yes, hide. Now here we can create one geometry. Right click, tabs, surfaces. First operation we will do lofted surface. Now here click near to end point, so that all points in one position. Now here we have one guided curve, but this is closed geometry. So right click, selection manager, here choose open loop and I'll choose, okay, let me choose first. Okay, that's fine. It is open loop actually. Say okay. Now look, it took the perfect shape. Now here the next step, we are going to cut this one. 366, 62, and this is distance 108 millimeter. This is the origin point reference. We will create this. Then we will trim this portion. Front plane, sketch. Now we will choose to circle. Now this one, let's say show. Hold shift key and click this point, coincide. That's it. Now let's move this one. (62), 366. Now select these two. Tangent, this is important, and this relation also important. Vertical. Let me choose a line from here to this point. Now let's try trim entity, click power trim, undo. Now make this line convert entities. Now click construction line, trim entity, now trim. See, now it is balanced here, and rest all already trimmed, and this one also trimmed. So this is the perfect shape what we like. Exit. Now let me hide this. Okay, this is the main geometry. Go to surface and here choose trim surface. Now sketch already selected what we created. Now keep selection standard. See, if you move your cursor, there is two geometry you are going to see. So I'll choose this one. Look. Okay. Now see. Hide. Now let's close this geometry. This one. Right click, show. Filled surface. Because this is closed geometry, so we need to show it. Okay. Now look. Now you can hide it. Now let's create this oblong holes. 9, R8, R7, R6, R5. Then the length 50, 45, 40, 40, 43. And the gap between these two 15 millimeter. And one reference point is this second one 108 millimeter from origin point or from the end of these things. Okay, so let's create and trim. We will use top plane, a sketch. Now let's first draw a center line. Center point is straight slot. Let me create here total 5 number of things. Now make all are vertical first. See, you can see the green line, it's vertical. Now let's define the gap first. 15 millimeter. And this line is lies on this origin point, because this is your distance. No, this is your 108 millimeter is main distance or reference distance. R9, R8, R6, sorry, R7, R6, and this is R5. The vertical length 45, 40, these two are 40, and the last one is 35. See, drawing is fully defined. Exit. Now let's use trim surface. Sketch already selected. See, this sketch already selected. Trim tool is standard. Keep selection or remove selection. If you move your cursor, it is keep selection. Choose this one, and this is going to remove. Look. The last operation we will do net, because if you saw, there is 2 bodies. So make one, net surface, this 2, gap is, this is the minimum gap. Now thickness is 1 millimeter. Thickness 1 millimeter. Let me choose there. Now see, this is moving both sides. Let's move downward. Okay. So this is how we did a simple exercise in SolidWorks with the help of Surface tool. I hope you like it. Okay. We forget to add one more thing. There is a variable size fillet, R15 at top, R77 at bottom. Fillet, I'll choose here variable size fillet and I'll choose outer edge. Now here instances number of, keep 1, so that we will get only one instant at this point. The first one 7, the upper one you will see unassigned 15, the another end 7. Say yes. Okay, let's this also assign color. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.